Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in PDF files using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is an essential skill if you're reviewing documents, studying materials, or collaborating with others on important files. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll be prompted to log in with your credentials. Make sure you enter the correct email and password associated with your Adobe account to gain access to all the features available in Acrobat Pro DC. This step ensures that your work is saved properly and synced across your devices if needed. After logging in, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is typically located on the home screen of Adobe Acrobat and displays the PDFs you've worked on most recently. Scroll through the list and select the file you want to highlight. If your file isn't showing up in Recent Files, you can also click on the Open button and browse your computer's folders to locate the specific PDF you need. Once your file is open, direct your attention to the left panel of the Adobe Acrobat interface. Here you'll find various tools for editing and annotating your PDF. Click on the button labeled Highlight Selected Text. This will activate the highlighting tool and allow you to mark portions of your document. From the options that appear, select Highlight to confirm that this is the annotation style you want to use. This step is important because Adobe Acrobat offers multiple annotation options like underline and strike through, so you want to make sure you're using the right one. Next, still in the left panel, you'll notice a color picker option. Click on this to choose your preferred highlight color. Adobe Acrobat typically offers a range of colors including yellow, green, blue, pink, and more. Selecting the right color can help you organize your annotations. For example, you might use yellow for important points, green for questions, and blue for references. Choose the color that best suits your needs and click on it to apply it as your active highlight color. Now you're all set to start highlighting. Simply click and drag your cursor over the text you want to highlight. The selected text will immediately be marked with the color you chose. You can continue highlighting as many sections as you need throughout your document. The highlights will be saved automatically as you work, making it easy to review your annotations later. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to highlight text in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, making your document review process much more efficient and organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.